In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok comments not showing. Firstly, when you get up into that site to take over and fix this problem, you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to go for settings and privacy, and then you need to select the second selection, which is privacy. Go right there, and from here you can find out the real session from this site and try to fix it. Now, if you scroll down, and you're gonna find out many different sites in which also it will be included comments, and from here, right here you're gonna find out these sessions, which this session could be so massive if we go and try to, I don't know, change it, or we definitely try to get some session on it. But if you want to simply go and try to fix this problem, what is the most interesting right here when you go on comments is that the first session, it is by getting to no one, and then take it over to followers and take that restart on your phone or on your application.